Welcome to the future of service efficiency. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is key. Meet our delivery robot, our state-of-the-art. This robot is designed for smooth navigation in various environments, thanks to its map management and obstacle avoidance features. It's ideal for high-traffic environments like restaurants, factories, and offices. With automatic recharge and safe lithium iron carbonate batteries, it's always ready to serve. This robot manages tasks efficiently, supports multiple languages, and can carry up to 30 kilograms in its 3-layer tray. Contact us to learn more about how our robots can transform your business. Visit our website for more information and more robots. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos of our robots for your business. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to stay updated on the latest from ROBOSERV Solutions.